1 kilometer of high-speed rail relies on 16,670 loyal screws. A 1,000-meter bridge stands firm, supported by 53,000 tons of sand and stone. A tunnel cuts through mountains, forged by 21,450 rock drill beds. The world marvels at China's towering architecture and rapid transportation. Over the past decade, Zhangchun people have proven true greatness lies in every screw standing strong against wind and snow, every grain of sand holding up mountains and rivers, and every drill bit keeping its vow to pierce through rugged terrain. These are the vivid footprints of Zhangchun Group in the infrastructure industry. Keeping pace with the times, Zhangchun Group seizes opportunities in large-scale infrastructure, logistics, and transportation. We focused on engineering, logistics, services, and integrated material procurement and supply, and build standardized operational systems and diverse business formats. We have optimized the engineering material portfolio, establishing a complete supply system for railway, highway, municipal, and aviation projects. Our product range covers over 10,000 items across 14 categories, including building accessories, sand, stone, and cement. We have set up centralized procurement and supply centers in Guangdong, Zhejiang, Guangxi, and Fujian, forming a robust supply network. It features integrated resources and efficient collaboration. Over 10 years, we have built win-win strategic partnerships with major domestic and overseas manufacturers, central enterprises, state-owned companies, and leading internet enterprises. Based on solid partnerships, we actively develop urban infrastructure and investment and financing platforms, and participate in mixed ownership reform of state-owned enterprises. We joined hands with Jiangxi Provincial Railway and Aviation Investment Group to establish Jiangxi Jiangzhong Building Materials Group. By deploying the whole industrial chain of building materials, we have transformed from a pure trading enterprise into an integrated group covering production, processing, and sales. Through equity acquisition, we obtained the mining right of the largest sesame-grade granite mine in Gannon. Meanwhile, we foray into new materials. We built a high-purity quartz sand production base with an annual output of 500,000 tons, focusing on photovoltaic glass. We are also expanding the application of silicon-based materials. We also embrace digital transformation and develop online building materials trade, upgrading traditional business to e-commerce. Adopting the dual headquarters strategy, we have expanded our business across more than 30 cities with Nanchang as the core. In 2024, we set up our headquarters in Guangdong, forming a coordinated development pattern. This marks our first step from a local developer to a global supply chain service provider. Leveraging cross-border e-commerce and overseas engineering cooperation networks, we bring China's high-quality building materials to the world, underpinning global engineering projects. We strive to write a new chapter of material circulation under the Belt and Road Initiative. Led by founder Lin Jiangjun, Zhongqun has consolidated supply chains, extended industrial chains, built business ecosystems, and created greater value over the decade. Today, our total assets reach 630 million yuan, with annual operating revenue hitting 2 billion yuan. We deliver heartfelt, valuable, and efficient integrated supply chain services for the construction industry, and build a full life cycle management system for engineering materials. All core strengths have taken root in Zhongchun over the past decade. We attach great importance to party building, bearing in mind our responsibility for the country. We pursue high standards, excellent teams, fine work styles, and outstanding performance with broad vision and courage. Second, public welfare dedication. The group actively participates in revitalizing old revolutionary base areas, poverty alleviation, pandemic donations, hometown construction, and student aid, practicing social responsibility with consistent dedication. A decade of accumulation lays a solid foundation. A century of craftsmanship begins to bloom. As the sun rises, Zhongchun's journey continues, upholding the corporate tenet of innovation as the source, quality as the life, service as the guarantee, integrity as the cornerstone, carrying forward the corporate culture of unity and hard work, pioneering and innovation, forging ahead and self-transcendence, relying on internet platforms and leveraging the layout of large-scale bases, networks, logistics, and transportation. The group strives toward the goal of becoming China's most powerful engineering logistics system service provider and integrated engineering material supplier. Embracing new opportunities, Zhongchun will continuously strengthen its infrastructure service capabilities in new infrastructure construction and the Belt and Road supply chain system, and embrace a brilliant tomorrow with boundless passion.